Hello friends, so welcome back to Let's Accelerate. So this is once again we have come up with a lot of things, a lot of interesting things. So in this video today we are going to talk about the password protection file, the password protected file that we have like this. We are going to make a file which asks for the password the moment we'll try to open that like this. So let's get started. So friends, sometimes we have to secure a database so that no one can open this file. We have to provide the password to someone we want them to open this file. We don't want anyone to come up and open this file and see all the information mentioned in the particular file we have. Like this, suppose we have this file and this has a very important database we do not want to share with anyone. So anyone in the companies, in the many companies, the share drive is there, so the people see the data in the share drive, and anyone who has the access for that share drive can open this file and check the database of this particular file. But we do not want that particular guy to see the data we have mentioned in this file. To do that, we have to go to the file, and in a file option we have to go to the info button. After clicking info button, you will get this screen, and on this screen you need to go to the protect workbook button. Once you click on this button, or you'll get a lot of options over here. So all you need to do is to go to encrypt with password. The moment you will click on this one, you will get the option it will ask for the password. So I type the password ABC. This will ask for the password once again, and I'll enter the same password once again, and the moment I'll hit enter, it will protect my file. Okay, and I'll save this and I'll close it. And now when I'll open this file, it will ask for the password which I have entered. If I will enter other password, it will give me this error, and there will no option. So for this you'll have to reopen this file. So I'll write the correct password now, and after entering the password I am able to access this file. So this is how you can save the password. You can protect your file from the password with the password. So in the next video we're going to talk about another option. Suppose if you want to share the file but you do not want to use it to make editing or anything, so we can also use that function also. So keep watching this series. Thank you very much.